These are the elevators at the Cornhusker Plaza in Lincoln, Nebraska. These are original Westinghouse from 1983. This is going to be 4K 30 frames take. As of 2013, these elevators are getting modernized by Innovative, by Elitex. Let's start, we'll go down first. So here we go. Which one's gonna be? Probably the same left one. Yep. Yep, has the same dinner bell. Let's go down to LL. Here we go. Here LL. So 7. Here we go. Here 7. Let's go back down to the lobby. These are fixtures. AE fixtures. Fornicator. Westinghouse. Here at the lobby. Alright, that's it.